Start with the name of Almighty Allah, who is the most merciful, most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum, dear educarians. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the grace of Allah, inshallah. I welcome back you all. As you people know that winter is here, so before starting today's lesson, say together, Welcome winters. Beside this, you all know that we are facing a critical situation. So at this time, it is our duty to make sure we all are in safe environment. Students, as you know, this is our first science lesson of final term. Today we will start unit number 4, natural resources. I hope you all are excited for this lesson. So let's begin. The material required for this lesson is pencil, eraser, highlighter, scale, science textbook, and science notebook. I hope you all collect all these things and you are ready for this lesson. Here is the content of our today's lesson. Today we will start unit number 4, natural resources, and we will discuss page number 34 and 35 from textbook. Then we will do our notebook work. We will draw title page of unit number 4, natural resources. Then we will make content on our notebook. And at the last we will do remember and understand on notebook. The learning objectives of our today's lesson are: after today's lesson, you will be able to differentiate natural resources and man-made resources. You will be able to discuss about what is soil. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to define fertile soil and humus. Students, now we are going to start reading. So open your science book from page number 34, write day, date, and today's task. I hope you all collected all the things that we needed for this lesson. So let's begin. Humans use natural resources to create comfort and sometimes to even change habitats. Water, plants, oil, gas, air, coal, minerals, sand, etc. are examples of natural resources. Students, underline this line. Natural resources are resources that exist without any actions of humankind. This includes all valued characteristics. On Earth, it includes sunlight, atmosphere, water, air, land, etc. Man made resources are items or substances which are useful to us but not found naturally. Examples include plastic, paper, glass, etc. Underline this line. When humans use natural things to make something new that provides utility and value to our lives, it is called man made resources. Man made resources are mostly renewable. Our next topic is soil. Our planet Earth is only one-fourth covered by land. Students, underline this line, which makes it very important for living things. It is covered by a thin layer of soil. In other words, soil is the ground or the top surface of the earth. Students, underline this line. Basically, soil is a material composed of five ingredients: minerals, organic matter, living organisms, gas, and water. In deserts and rocky places, there is very little soil. A few plants grow in deserts and rocky places. Some soils are good, many plants grow in them. Such soils are called fertile soils. A fertile soil will contain all the major nutrients for basic plant nutrition. Usually, a fertile soil will also have some organic matter that improves soil structure and soil moisture. Fertile soil. The remains of dead plants and animals in soil are called humus. Underline this line. Humus makes the soil fertile. Fertile soil contains lots of food for growing plants. A soil which contains humus is dark brown. Students, humus is dark organic material that forms in soil when plants and animal matter decays. Humus gives the soil the ability to absorb and retain moisture. Such soils do not dry out and require significantly less irrigation. The air and water in the soil are useful for plant roots and animals living in the soil. Humus help the soil to hold air and water. The roots of plants hold the soil particles together. Students, organic matter in humus provides the soil with the capacity to retain water. It acts like a sponge and it has the capacity to hold water. If we cut down trees and other plants, the soil can easily be washed away by rain or blown away by wind. The soil will not remain fertile. The area can even become a desert. Students, humus increases water infiltration, which in turn help in preventing surface runoff. Moreover, soil with a high amount of humus has a stable soil aggregate, which make it hard for the particles to be eroded by agents of erosion such as wind and water. The amazing fact of our today's lesson is earthworms help to keep the soil fertile. Their digging ability helps to drain the soil and allows air to pass through. Remember and understand. Our question is, what is natural resource? And the answer is, natural resource is a resource which is naturally present or grows without human help in an area. Remember and understand. Question number 1 is, what is humus? The answer is, humus is dark organic material that forms in soil when plant and animal matter decays. Our question number 2 is, what happens to the soil if we cut down trees? And our answer is, if we cut down trees, the soil can easily be washed away by rain or blown away by wind. Dear students, this is your science notebook, and on this page you will write your index. Before starting today's classwork, write today's index. Firstly, we will write serial number. After that, we will write date for which we are working. Then we will write topic. Remember and understand textbook page number 34 and 35. Now I hope this is all clear. Students, now we have done today's reading and index. Now it's time for your notebook work as we used to do it in our classroom. Get ready, open your notebook's interleaf page. Here we make our title page. First we draw cloudy shapes and write unit number and name in it. After this we draw trees and color them brown and green. And see, our title page is ready. Students, after making our title page, we will make our content on the next page. First we will write content, then write unit number 4 natural resources, then write reading, exercise, question answer, worksheet, class assessment, and our content is ready. Firstly, we will draw margin line, write day, date, and today's task. Then you will write topic, unit number 4, natural resources. Remember and understand textbook page number 34 and 35. Our question number 1 is, what is a natural resource? Answer, natural resource is a resource which is naturally present or grows without human help in an area. At this page, we will draw margin line firstly, then write today's task. Our question number 2 is, what is humus? Answer: humus is dark organic material that forms in soil when plant and animal matter decays. Question number 3 is, what happens to the soil if we cut down trees? Answer: if we cut down trees, the soil can easily be washed away by rain or blown away by wind. I hope you all understand today's lesson. Your today's tasks are: learn highlighted points from page number 34 and 35, make title page and content on your notebook. Do remember and understand from textbook page number 34 and 35 on your notebook. I hope you all complete these tasks with zeal and zest. Walking is a great form of physical activity that is free, low risk, and easy to do. A walk to start your day can be a great way to keep yourself healthy. Today we are going to talk about some benefits of morning walk. Walking strengthens your heart. Walking is good for your bones. Walking improves fitness. Walking strengthens your immune system. Walking improves physical function. Walking increases your brain power. I hope today's lesson is helpful for you and you have understood each and every point. I'll see you in next lesson. Take care of yourself. See you soon. Till that time, Allah Hafiz. Have a good day.